In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate profit and loss on MetaTrader 5. If you've just started trading or you're looking to refine your skills, understanding how to monitor your profit and loss is crucial. Let's dive in and explore this together. First, let's get started by opening up MetaTrader 5 on your device. This is your main interface for all trading activities, and it's where you'll perform all your analyses and trades. Once MetaTrader 5 is up and running, you'll want to direct your attention to the Toolbox panel. You'll find this at the bottom of your screen. It's a vital area in MetaTrader 5, as it provides all the necessary information regarding your trades, and it's essential for keeping track of your financial activities. Now, within this Toolbox panel, locate the Trade tab and click on it. This tab is your go-to section for details about all your open positions. It consolidates vital information that helps you assess the status of your trades at a glance. In the Trade tab, you'll see a list of your open positions. For each position, several details are displayed. The first item to notice is the profit column. This shows your current floating profit or loss, essentially representing how much you've gained or lost since the position was opened. It's important to note that this amount is not finalized until the position is closed. It just gives you a real-time snapshot of how your trade is doing. Next, look for the price column. This shows the current market price of the asset you have invested in. Having this at your fingertips allows you to quickly determine how close or far the current price is relative to your entry point. Speaking of entry points, the open price column is next up. This displays the price at which you entered the trade. Knowing your entry price is essential for understanding your position in the market and gauging potential exits. Finally, don't overlook the volume column. Here, you will find your lot size, which tells you the size of the position you have taken in the market. In other words, it's the number of asset units associated with your trade. This piece of information helps you calculate your total exposure in the trade. By staying attentive to these critical pieces of data, your floating profit or loss, the current market price, your original entry price, and your lot size, you'll be more equipped to make informed decisions about managing your trades effectively. Understanding each of these components will not only guide you in assessing your current trading strategy, but also empower you to make strategic adjustments as needed. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on calculating profit and loss in MetaTrader 5. Remember, keeping a close eye on these numbers is a fundamental part of becoming a successful trader. Be sure to subscribe for more insightful tips and strategies. Until next time, happy trading!